Right, and here's another follow on with the Micrology XL. So this is a large tin. Earlier I put one of the squares and spread it out, and it was just the right amount. They don't have to be deep with any growing media. They just have to have a small covering. Microgreens work best for that. So I'm just going to test out with some broccoli here and show you. So light sprinkling, just make sure even coverage, just like so. Really don't need much actually. There we go. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of sprinkling of water here like this. It looks like I'm drowning it, but they need water to germinate, otherwise they won't germinate. And these come, so you can grow 4 lots, and then just place that on the top for it. Obviously you've got the labels on yours, and leave them for a few days and check in on them, put them somewhere warm to germinate. I'm just going to put mine in, I've got downstairs cloakroom with a radiator. I'm just going to put them in there, just out the way really, and I will check on them, and I will come back and do some more videos checking on them, seeing how they're going each step, so you can see what they're meant to look like. Because I know I get people asking, is that right? And I think visually seeing like this, it will give you the reassurance that you need to know that you're doing it correctly, and just sort of guide you on your way.